Hudson County, New Jersey, also known as the gateway to the USA, welcomes you with open arms. Be amazed by the phenomenal views of the Manhattan skyline and delighted by a cosmopolitan vibe that offers visitors eclectic restaurants and exciting night spots. Daytime adventures will take you to iconic destinations like the Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island, or kayaking on the Hudson River. No matter what your interests are, outdoor adventure, history, or award-winning cuisine, Hudson County has just what you're looking for. Hi, I'm Monica and I'm here in Hudson County. Follow me while I explore some of the best places this region has to offer. I begin my trip at one of the most iconic attractions in the world, the Statue of Liberty. From right here in Liberty State Park in Hudson County, I boarded a direct ferry to meet Lady Liberty herself and then headed over to Ellis Island. Liberty State Park is a green oasis of over 1,000 acres which I explored on foot. Another great way I found to experience the natural beauty of the Hudson River was kayaking. I'm ready to take the adventure up a notch, so I'm excited that Hudson County is home to the Pole Position Raceway. This huge indoor electric go-kart track offers an exhilarating experience for both casual drivers and professional racers to test their skills against each other. I've never tried go-karting before, so this will be a real test of my driving skills. And what an adrenaline rush! As the sun goes down and the day starts to catch up with me, Hudson County is the perfect place to unwind and find a variety of out-of-this-world restaurants and night spots. Red Bull Arena is also located right here in Hudson County and is home to the American professional team, the Red Bulls, who compete in the Eastern Conference of Major League Soccer. Go Red Bulls! Hudson County has certainly entertained and inspired me. With its fascinating museums, incredible history, magnificent outdoor activities, and fine dining. Let Hudson County welcome you too.